All right, now let's look at a slightly more complicated example. In this example, we have an array of bug objects. Each object has three properties: ID, title, and fixed. Now let's say when our button is clicked, we want to mark the first bug as fixed. So we want to update this array, right? So we call setBugs. Now in the previous lesson, I told you that to update an object in an array, we use the map method. So here we call bugs.map. Here we pass an error function. So bug goes to. Now we check the ID of the bug. If it's equal to 1, now we need to create a brand new bug object. So we add an object literal. Now just like before, we spread the bug object to copy all of its properties, and then we set the fixed property to true. Now otherwise, if bug ID is not equal to 1, we're just going to return the same bug object. So let's visualize what we have done here. In this example, we have an array with two bug objects, B1 and B2. As part of handling the click event, we created a new array with two objects. Instead of B1, we have B1 star, which is a brand new object, and we also have B2, the same B2 that we have in the original array. With this, we're telling React that the first object in this array is updated, and React will do the necessary work to update the DOM to match the component state. So what I want you to take away here is that we don't need to create a brand new copy of every bug object in this array, only the object that's supposed to be modified, in this case, B1.